Hello students, welcome back in maths classes. In this video, I will solve first three questions 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 1.4. Okay? And this exercise is more important than the previous. So, we start solving these questions. First question is the product of two integers is 270. One of the integers is minus 18. Find the other. So let's check the question. The product of two integers is 270. One of the integers is minus 18. Find the other. Now this question is all about making a relationship between some given information. Okay. So what is the information? The product of two integers. Product means multiplication. So we will write answer as product of two integers. So let the integers be there are two integers. So you can imagine that there is integer 1 and integer 2. But one of the integer is minus 18. It means दोनों इंटीजर में से एक की वैल्यू हम जानते हैं. सो यू कैन राइट दैट इंटीजर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय माइनस 18 बिकॉज दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू इंटीजर्स. दो इंटीजर्स का प्रोडक्ट है बट एक इंटीजर हमें पता है तो एक इंटीजर की वैल्यू हम यहाँ मेंशन करेंगे और दूसरा कोई इंटीजर होगा. एंड द प्रोडक्ट मीन्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज. ओके, इज मीन्स equal and the product is 270. Okay, now integer equal to 270 upon minus 18. As I told you, the multiplication is converted into division on other side. Okay, so you can see that this is the division of two integers with opposite signs. It means the sign of the quotient will be negative. So now you have to divide 270 by 18. Now it is a rough work, so I tell you we divide 270 by 18. Now let's do it. 18 बन जा 18, 18 बन जा 18, 18 to the 36, that will be bigger than 27. So we subtract and it is, what is the answer? That is 9. And write this 0. Now in the table of 18, 90 comes 5 times. Okay, now the answer will be 15. So minus 15, let's check it again. Okay, so integer will be minus 15. Now you can write your answer in a proper way. Find the other. So you can write other integer is minus 15. Okay, you can make a box around your answer so it will be highlighted. This is the answer. Note it down. Next question is second question. So all these questions are based on the properties of integers. You have to make relationships according to the given condition in the question. Second question is find an integer which when multiplied by 4. So find an integer which when multiplied by 4 divided by 9 becomes minus 28. So check the question. Find an integer which when multiplied by 4 and then divided by 9 becomes minus 28. Alright, this question is very interesting, students. So how to solve? Means find an integer. So you can write integer. Instead of integer you can write x. Okay, you can just write let the integer is x, then you can use x also. So find an integer. We have assumed the integer is 1. Sorry, it is integer which when multiplied, so we write multiply sign, by 4 we write 4 and then divided by 9 and then divided by 9 becomes means equal minus 28. Very simple. So how to calculate the value of integer? If you want to find out this value, this 4 upon 9 becomes the denominator on other side. Okay, according to the rules. So you will write minus 28, but when you divide this number by 4 upon 9, so it will become 9 upon 4. Because if there is a fraction in the denominator, then we can write its reciprocal with multiply sign. Now easily you can solve this, as 28 can be divided by 4. So 4 7s are 28, we will write the negative sign and it will be minus 7 9s are 63. So the answer is minus 63. Now you can cross check it. How? The value of integer is minus 63. You can check in this way. An integer when multiplied by 4 means it is multiplied by 4 and when divided by 9, so the answer will be minus 28. Just check it. You can divide 63 by 9 minus 7 times and the product of minus 7 and 4 is minus 28. So you are sure that your answer is correct. Now pause the video and note. Take the screenshot also, which will be useful for your future study. जब भी आप इसको दोबारा देखना चाहेंगे, आप स्क्रीनशॉट से भी इसको देख सकते हैं. Last question. If the quotient obtained on dividing an integer by minus 9 is minus 8, find the integer. If the quotient obtained on dividing an integer by minus 9 is minus 8, find the integer. Again, you have to make a relation, that is an equation also. So according to the given conditions, if the quotient obtained, what is the meaning of quotient? If you divide an integer by another integer, the result is called quotient. So on dividing an integer by minus 9 means divide an integer by minus 9 is means equal and it is minus 8. So इस क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग द क्वोशेंट ऑब्टेन्ड मीन्स जो क्वोशेंट मिलेगा कब मिलेगा, वो इस इंटीजर को माइनस 9 से डिवाइड करने पर, दैट विल बी minus 8. नाउ इजीली यू कैन फाइंड द आंसर. Integer will be just cross multiply. You can imagine 1 as a denominator. Okay, no need to mention 1. So it is integer into 1 integer. Now without 1 you can also perform. So आपको याद कर लेना है ये मेथड. इस तरह से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, -8 into minus 9, that is 9 8 ja 72, and minus minus becomes plus. So the answer is 72. Okay students, so write all this. You can note these answers in your maths fair copy. Okay, pause the video, it will be easier for you. You can take a screenshot also. Now I hope you enjoyed this video. Solve the questions in your assignment. Best of luck.